Welcome back. Today we're gonna clean a glass stovetop that has a whole bunch of burnt on crusty food on it. So I'm just gonna start out with some dish soap to get rid of like any of the surface layer crud, then we'll move on to some tougher chemicals, but really honestly some dish soap and some warm water on a cloth. Using the dish soap is just gonna get that initial crud off and any like of those layers of grease before we move on to a little bit of a stiffer, harsher chemical. You see? I could almost bring in a sponge here, but I just want to like soften it first. This is totally burnt on. Look at that. Ugh. Let me just grab a sponge. Don't be afraid of like getting some water on it. So you can kind of, if you listen, so I have a lot of stuff still stuck here, but I've got it mostly lifted over here. Smooth, crusty. Now let's just wipe off any of the excess. So that does, look at, it does work to get the worst of it off, but some of these, like this would be a good cleanup after dinner, right? If you do that all the time, you're not gonna get these really burnt on spots. But if you let it sit for a while, this is where we're gonna go deeper to get that off. So we've got lots and lots of built up grease here, and these knobs, a lot of people don't know, they pop off so we can clean underneath. Usually a good idea to take a before or after picture in case your knobs are a little bit different. We use a degreaser here, like dish soap is the safest thing, or maybe Dawn Power Wash, but I wouldn't go any harder than that because like sometimes if you use Mr. Clean, your decals can come off. So just a fair warning of something that cost me a lot of money one time. All right, and then just soak those in some hot water with some dish soap. Let them soak because they're greasy as hell. So see, I've just got dish soap on my rag here. I almost could use a little bit more. Hold on one second. How greasy this is. Just, and this is totally normal. It's just the back splatter from cooking on your stove. I've rinsed the stovetop really well, so we're not mixing any chemicals, but now what we're gonna do is turn on the fan, open any windows, and I'm just gonna spray the stovetop with some Easy Off oven cleaner to like help lift on any of these burnt off crusty pieces. So I'm using the Easy Off Heavy Duty. I can use this on the glass top, I know that already. You don't need to worry about it being, fume-free, safe for self-cleaning ovens, but don't get this on your floor or your countertop. Next step is to scrub it with an SOS pad. This is the box that we have. It's full. It's just been smushed in someone's car. Wet it. Okay, now see where all these little brown lines are? Oh look, this one's really good in the light. That's where we've lifted some of the burnt on stain. So now, or burnt on food, I guess, not staining. Now I'm gonna use an SOS pad. This isn't gonna scratch the glass, don't worry. And we're just going to, oh, it's coming off like really easy. So sometimes you have to spray it a couple times because you have to work in layers. I've let this sit for about, I don't know, 15 minutes. Oh my God. And wipe. Now this was the worst burner, but I got a lot of it off. Oh, see, you can hear it. See how it goes from smooth to crusty? that might have got it off. See, we still have burnt on spots, so we're gonna spray that one again. So see how we have this burnt on crud here? Oven cleaner works in layers, so I've got like the top layer of crust off. I've got to spray it again, let it sit. It's like spray, sit, spray. Sorry, spray, scrub, sit, scrub, rinse, go again. So this is round 2 with the oven cleaner. Let's see if we can get it off. Okay, it's definitely better, but I can kind of still see stuff. So I'm just gonna scrub where I can see. I've got all of this off, but I can kind of tell that the finish is a little bit damaged because of it just being there for so long. And this is like a 10-year-old stove, but we've done a very good job of lifting everything off. So we're just gonna let it sit here. I'm gonna wipe it and I'm gonna rinse it really, really well, then we'll polish it up. Final step, gonna be Windex. One last step just to get it nice and shiny and make it look brand new again. We do have a little bit of damage on the like etching in the glass because we've removed all of the crud, but it looks really, really good. Here is our final product. Look how good that looks. We got most of it off. Again, I said there's just a little bit of etching here and in this area, which it's understandable with an older stove, but it looks so much better. If you have any questions about cleaning glass stovetops, just leave them in the comments, and just remember that your stuff isn't wrecked, you just have to clean it.